Hello everyone, in today's video we will be making Mediterranean chickpea salad using all natural ingredients and a homemade dressing. This is a healthy vegetarian salad packed with Mediterranean flavors of olives, chickpeas, and feta cheese. Here are the ingredients. We will need a can of chickpeas or garbanzos. Please wash it thoroughly until all of the foam from the can disappear. Fresh grape tomatoes, diced. Small cucumbers, diced. Feta cheese. Olives. You can use any types of olives such as Spanish olives, Greek Kalamata olives. Here I'm using just the regular green and black olives. Dressing, we will use honey Dijon dressing. Here, I'm using a homemade dressing. I made a separate video on how to make honey Dijon dressing. The video link is below. So let's start. In a large bowl, mix all ingredients together. The feta cheese gives that Mediterranean flavor. The cheese is rich and salty, so I won't add salt here. I'm using a low-fat Greek feta cheese. Lastly, we will pour the honey Dijon dressing. This recipe is good for 3 to 4 people. You can also add red onions if you like it, and also season it with salt, pepper, and parsley. The honey Dijon dressing is already flavorful, so I won't add the seasonings. This salad is good for those in a low-carb diet. Also, eating a Mediterranean diet has many health benefits. I hope you can try this simple recipe. If you want to see more simple and healthy recipes like this one, please check my NYC kitchen playlist, which I will link down below for more videos. Since I respect your time, most of my videos are less than 5 minutes long. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.